Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today, I'll be drawing and walking you through the character Brightney from Dandy's World. Brightney the lamp, often called Brightney, is one of my favorite tunes in Dandy's World. She was added on June 14, 2024, and is available for purchase in Dandy's store. What makes Brightney unique is her charming design and the way she brings her personality to life. She's literally a lamp, with a beautiful magenta scalloped bell lampshade, trimmed with white at the top. Her look is so stylish, she even has a snatched waist, magenta tights, and white accents on her arms and blush, giving her a polished and elegant appearance. I think her white light bulb, suspended under the lampshade, adds to her distinctive charm. One of the most striking features about Brightney is how she glows during blackouts. Her light is so much brighter and larger compared to other tunes, which is not just visually appealing but also makes her stand out in gameplay. I've always admired how her glow adds a functional yet aesthetic touch, making her feel like a reliable presence in darker moments of the game. What really draws me to Brightney is her personality. She's incredibly smart and helpful, which makes her a fantastic teammate. Her active ability highlights her problem-solving skills, and her willingness to assist other tunes shows just how dependable she is. However, there's also a relatable side to her. From her dialogue, like when she says, "There's always something on my mind," box 10. To the to-do list in her roleplay room, it's clear she struggles with being overworked. It's such a humanizing aspect of her character that makes me empathize with her. Despite this, she never hesitates to help out, and that hardworking yet friendly attitude makes her feel real and inspiring to me. Brightney isn't just a playable tune, she's a character that reflects determination and kindness, even when things get tough. That's why I've grown so attached to her and why I think she's such a standout in Dandy's World. If you're confident in your skills in Dandy's World, Brightney is definitely a tune worth mastering. Personally, I find her to be one of the most rewarding tunes to play because, while she has some noticeable weaknesses, her strengths completely outshine them if you know how to use her effectively. For me, Brightney truly shines during blackouts, pun intended. Her active ability, Spark Plug Icon Nightlight, is a lifesaver in those scenarios. It counters the biggest challenge of blackouts, information loss, and helps keep the team safe by illuminating the environment better than any other tune can. Her glow is not only visually stunning but incredibly practical, making her my go-to choice when I know a blackout is coming. In my experience, Brightney is unmatched at handling blackouts, though I'll admit V gives her a run for her money. Comment below what you like and dislike about this video. It will help for improvisation. See you soon in my next video. Bye for now.